NPF long live!
Long live, long live!
NPF long live!
Long live, long live!
We oppose privatization!
We oppose, we oppose!
Canara Bank Zindabad!
Zindabad, Zindabad!
Women Corporate Zindabad!
Zindabad, Zindabad!
CPA Zindabad!
Zindabad, Zindabad!
NPF long live!
Long live, long live!
Because the government recently has come out with privatization of public POA and AMPF on agitation. All over the country we are organizing different agitation programs against the public privatization. Mumbai also we are planning to all of us aware that Mumbai is more easy. So many restrictions are there recently. In this occasion, fortunately we have our ANP of All India Working President Vilas sir, Comrade Vilas Naik, and our advisor Sanjay Mandarekar sir and Abhay sir. So I request
Comrades, as you know, this government is going very harsh against the public sector undertakings, especially the banks. Earlier, they started with the merger of the banks, public sector banks. The public sector banks had been doing a human service to the common person, the lowest strata of the society. The banks were nationalized with the intention to serve the common people. All these years, since 1969, the banks have been going. We have opened the branches in the nook and corner of the country, and our bank officers and bank employees have been serving the commonest of the poorest of the poor people across the country. In the most remotest places, our branches are there, public sector banks. No private sector banks are there. But suddenly, this government has changed the whole, they have taken a U-turn, and they feel that privatization is the only alternative. Their contention is that public sector undertakings are not making profit. It is not true. The government is changing the provisioning norms. We are always making profit. Canara Bank, may it be Canara Bank or East Syndicate Bank or other banks. But the provisioning norms are being changed. The rules are being changed. And we are shown, it is ultimately shown that it is the banks are making a loss. Whereas it is not true. There is no level playing field between the private sector banks and the public sector banks. So we are opposing the government's policies against. Now the government has, in the recent budget, the finance minister announced that 2 of the public sector banks will be privatized. They have very cleverly not given the names, and as you know, the share market is playing with all the banks. So the banks which were not merged, they are suddenly they were going up. The share prices were going up. Even the one day it is Canara Bank, the other day it is Punjab National Bank. The share prices are moving up. But anyway, the privatization will not serve the purpose. We will have to explain to the common customers that it will be a problem to them, because as you see, if any common person wants to go to any Citibank or ICICI Bank, they are charged 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. So whereas all the government schemes have been handled by us, and those will not be possible. The education loan, the various CLGS loans, and will not be reaching the common people. So we are opposing, and there is a strike call given by AINBF, which is on 15th and 16th. So I hope and pray that all of us will take part very actively. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite our Abhay sir. So I gave this idea of arranging this tournament, and which they have successfully managed to arrange. So without talking much, I request all of you to enjoy this tournament, and thank you all for coming and joining this tournament. Thank you all. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Pinnu Madam, coordinator, along with Pratya Madam. You want to tell something?
All the best.
Now I request our advisor and the senior trade union leader in banking industry, Sanjay Mandarekar sir, to give a small speech and also inaugurate the gave.
Dear comrades, at the outset I greet you all on this occasion of International Women's Day. This day is celebrated to observe the economic, cultural, social and other achievements of the women in the country. In our culture we have already been telling Etra Naryastu Pujyante Ramante Tatra Devata and all. But this is International Women's Day which is being celebrated since 1909 for more than 110 years and we are celebrating it here. Today we will be having the friendly match. But as Comrade Vilas Nayak was telling, now we will have to fight the real test match outside with the government of India. On the streets we will have to fight because government is coming out with its plan of privatization of the public sector bank. I don't want to go deep into that. You are all officers of the bank. You are all aware what are all the achievements of the public sector bank. For outside I will have to explain. For my own people I need not explain what all the public sector banks have done in last 50 years. And you can also think what will be its effect if privatization is done, what will be the effect on the society. I am not talking only of us. Of course, we will also be affected. Not only the serving employees. I have been telling I am retired. Even the retired officers will be, retired employees will be affected because we don't know what is going to happen to our pension fund. Pension fund belongs to you, for me, everybody. We don't know about the future. So let us fight. Let us fight against the privatization in our own interest and in the interest of the society, in the interest of the public. I once again greet you all on the occasion of this International Women's Day and I declare this tournament open. Thank you. All the best.
सर
All the best.
सर इधर देखकर
That's music.
सर इधर
Thank you.
सर वीडियो बन रहा है वीडियो
All the best.
ठीक है ओके
मेरा भी एक्शन में प्ले
यस यस
वो वीडियो में आया एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, all the best. तुम लोग बैंक में ही है ना? माइनस नहीं है ना?
सीधा बैग cricket. So I hope all are enjoyed. It is our first function. Hopefully we will arrange more. Hopefully we will arrange more functions like this. And also initially we have told that one of the main objective is to fight against privatization. See, last year we were myself, Manjana Kasa, we were syndicate bank. Now we are Canara Bank. Tomorrow we may HDFC Bank. So now itself we have to start our agitation because privatization merger okay. Syndicate bank is merged with the Canara Bank. Both are public sector banks. But privatization is something else. We all are returned exam and because we want a public sector too. So now government is decided to send the public sector. So today onwards we are starting our agitation programs in Mumbai. So for that women's participation is important. So anyway, now today's function, today's cricket tournament, 3 teams are there. Yellow team won the runner-up, lower runner-up. So congratulations and I request.
Congratulations.
And
yellow. Capping of the green.
Facilitate our
Yeah. अरे सबको मिलेगा.
social distancing maintain करते हुए. तालियां बजाओ जो से. मैडम ऐसे. ग्रुप्स में जाएगा ना इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. वो कैप चेंज करके आ गए ना. वन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजर.
Congratulations for the organization. Jimmy madam so nicely she organized and coordinated with everybody. The perfect messages and the way she got to because so many of them participated. So ऐसा लग रहा था we are really happy.
So now I request winners. Team captain first. Good. Hello captain. आजा मैडम आजा. कैप्टन लास्ट कैप्टन को मेन बोलने का भी मौका मिलेगा. Good. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए.
मैंने बहुत फ्रेंड्स को बताया और घुमाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक यू.
कैप्टन की तरफ से मैं बोलता हूँ. अंपायर देगा.
White cap. So I request you to have to.
कर लेते हैं इनके लिए तो प्लीज हेलो गाइस थोड़ा अटेंशन दीजिए यहाँ पे. अपने हमदास के लिए थोड़ा स्पेशल आज कुछ कर देते हैं. तो लाइक मेरा हाथ जैसे ही ऊपर जाएगा तो अपने क्लैप का आवाज वैसे ही बड़ा होगा. सो लेट अस हैव सम म्यूजिक फॉर देम. ओके यस.